Welcome back to our series on MSIX. Today, we will explore how virtual desktop infrastructure, VDIs, and MSIX work together using the MSIX App Attach. This technology revolutionizes the way applications are deployed in VDI environments. So let's dive in. In data center hosted operating systems, applications are often added dynamically based on the logged in user. This setup has been in both private and cloud data centers and can lead to wait times for application readiness. MSIX App Attach drastically reduces this, making application usable more rapidly. App Attach mounts the MSIX applications at logon, avoiding full installations. Only the required data blocks are copied to the virtual machine, bypassing lengthy installation processes and reducing the storage needs. There are two ways in which you can do this. The first one is the manual way, and the second one is with Azure Virtual Desktop. Now, for the first way, to get started, we need to ensure that the host operating system has the Hyper-V feature enabled. For this, I have here my virtual image, and we can use the Enable Windows optional feature for Hyper-V. This has been enabled, and once you've done this, you need to reboot your device. Next, we will need to disable certain update services. The first one is the Windows Update. Please, let's stop the service. Good. Now, let's configure it. There you go. Next, we need to stop the Windows Store updates. For this, we have a registry key that we need to implement, and in PowerShell, we can do this. Next, we need to stop the automatic app update schedule task. Again, we are going to use PowerShell for this. And last but not least, we need to disable the content delivery auto download. This is again two registry keys that we need to add. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Don't worry, all of the commands and registry keys that we are placing here can be found in the book, so you can find it online. I will paste the link to the MSIX packaging book right here in the description. Once the OS has been configured, we need to prepare our application for the app attach. You can convert MSIX packages to VHD files using MSIX Hero, which is a freeware utility, and we discussed about it in our previous videos. And we need to ensure the correct certificates are present on the application host virtual machine for seamless integration. To do this, I'm going to show you with MSIX Hero how it can be achieved. So here under Tools, go and click on Create App Attach Volume. Add your package. I'm going to use a package that I have here as a sample package, my sample application. Let's go with version 1.0. Create the volume. Save it. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Good. And now everything has been done. And if we check our desktop, you can see here that we have my sample app.vhd. And that's how easy it is to create your VHDs with MSIX Hero. Once all of this is done, we will need 4 PowerShell scripts to manage the lifecycle of our application. A startup script, which runs the stage script, a logon script, which runs the register script, a logoff script, which runs the deregister script, and a shutdown script, which runs the destage script. You need to customize the scripts to fit your environment and then add them to the group policy objects, targeting your virtual machines. Typically, these VMs reside in a dedicated organizational unit in the Active Directory to ensure specific policies are applied. To show you how these scripts look, this can be found on Microsoft GitHub page. And this is the stage script. This is the register package script. This is the deregister package script, and this is the destage package script. So all of this needs to be customized. I'm not going to show you in this video how it's going to be done, but this is your general approach when it comes to MSIX App Attach in your virtual environment. Next, we can also have a look over Azure Virtual Desktop. In Azure Virtual Desktop, if you have one created, all you need to do is going to your host pools, select your host pool, and in here under manage, you can see that we have our application groups, MSIX packages, and session host. My VM is currently down, but if I go to MSIX packages, as you can see, I have two MSIX packages which are here. All I need to do is just click add. Of course, I don't have any available ones, but then you just add your MSIX package standardly as you do in Intune. And once your virtual machines in the AVD pool come online, they will receive these packages automatically once the user logs on, which makes Azure Virtual Desktop a much easier solution to manage your MSIX App Attach. So MSIX App Attach streamlines application deployment in VDI environments, enhancing performance and reducing costs, and you need to implement these steps to improve your VDI setup in MSIX. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time!